Okay guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diet. I'm Dr. Lou. Now, what we're looking at today is a clean keto top 5 foods. So, if you want to do clean keto, which is saying basically the most healthiest ketosis you can get into, then these are 5 foods that you can eat on a clean keto diet. So, we're looking at these. They're whole foods, they're awesome, they're healthy, they're nutrient dense, excellent for clean keto. So let's have a look at them. So coming in number 1, we have steak or beef. Awesome. Why? 100% real food, 100% keto, shouldn't have been through hardly any type of processing. It's the real meat. Whoosh. Clean, simple and powerful. It's 0 carbs, perfect for deep ketosis. Complete protein, all of the essential amino acids, very important for your health. Iron plus B12 vitamin, supports energy, blood and your brain. So again, very good for a clean keto diet, no problems whatsoever. So guys, we've got it here. You've got clean keto staple. If you're on clean keto, you have to keep going back to steaks or to lovely cuts of beef. It's absolutely fantastic for it. It's a whole food. It's so many nutrients and it's tasty. Bit of butter on that, it's absolutely next level. Okay guys, so that's number 1. Let's look at clean keto food number 2. Now again, this is something that is a favorite. I advocate them all the time. They're absolutely a superfood for keto. Eggs. Now here you can see a keto superfood. They certainly are. They've got choline in them to make the acetylcholine neurotransmitter in your brain. Supports brain and heart health. That's awesome. You've got protein, high quality protein, healthy fats, and that supports energy and hormone balance. They've got vitamins and minerals as well. Vitamin D, B12, and selenium in them. So, fantastic. Eggs are all round excellent for your keto diet and a clean keto diet. Put a tick there and say eggs are on the menu. And one of the things about these when it comes to clean keto is that clean keto limits a lot more things, down to what you can eat, but it's cleaner, it's healthier, and eggs are fantastic because you can make an omelette, you can have boiled eggs, you can have poached eggs, you can have scrambled eggs, you can add butter to them, you can add salt and pepper, you can do a whole range of things, and they just awesome on a diet. You can use them as a coating. If you want fried chicken or you want to bind a burger, use egg, wrap it in for keto. Do a tiny bit of egg with salt and a bit of tiniest, weigh the flour to like 1 gram, put it into that, then make a little batter and you've got a lovely fried chicken coating. So guys, that's the main idea. Eggs are fantastic and they're versatile to use in many different dishes and ways. So that's the best thing I would say. I'd always advocate eggs. Eggs are fantastic everywhere, every diet, every time of the day. Now, number 3. This is another one. This is again quite interesting. This is a favorite. It's tasty. It's awesome. I love to bake it. I don't mind it raw as well, or salmon. So it's delicious raw, especially if you're having something like wasabi with it or a little flavoring. It's quite tasty. But I loved it baked. So if you bake it or air fry it, it is absolutely next level. Bit of salt, bit of butter, awesome. Now 0 carbs. Perfect for ketosis. Omega-3 oils, brilliant. Supports brain and heart health. High quality protein, supports muscle and overall health. Vitamins and minerals, vitamin D, B12 and selenium. So that's awesome as well. That's coming in with your salmon, and that is a clean keto choice. Tick, no problem. So that's another absolutely fantastic, tasty keto food. Okay guys, coming in number 4, clean keto food number 4. That's right, cheese. Cheese is been around for thousands of years. It does go through a minimal process, but it's still extremely natural and it's still fantastic and healthy for us. Full of nutrients. You've got hard cheese, a keto superfood, not soft cheese. None of that dairy. You've got to be having cheddar. You've got to be having healthy 0 carb fat, 0 carb cheeses. Check them out on the nutritional label. Some aren't 0 carb. There are plenty that are. Go for the 0 carb on your nutritional label. Now, here we go. Very low carbs, perfect for ketosis. Calcium supports strong bones and teeth. That's awesome. You need that on a keto diet. Healthy fat supports energy and hormone balance. And vitamin B12 supports energy and red blood cells. Another clean keto choice. Tick. Now, what we've got here is it's tasty, it's lovely. You can accompany it, you can melt it over things, you can bake it, and use it as like a dip for cucumber or whatever you want, however you feel. Cheese is fantastic. Hard cheese, zero carbs, stick to that. So again, go around, have a look for all the cheeses you can find at zero carb, make a little selection, and you'll feel fantastic and versatile for your diet. What I like to do, I get usually mozzarella and I get either red Leicester or cheddar. I mix them together, shredded, fill up a pepper, but I cook the pepper until it's a little bit cooked way through. Then I add the cheese and then it melts in and stuffed cheese, pepper. Next level, fantastic. Check, obviously, use a green pepper because they're lower in carbs. Okay, so they're pretty awesome. And then moving on, you've got the last one here. Again, of course, avocados. Avocados are fantastic. I mean, some people are not keen on them. I think they're fantastic. Most people don't realize they're a fruit. They're a fruit, they're high in fat, monounsaturated fats, really tasty. I like to, as I said, cut one out half, scoop it out, mix it up with vinegar, salt and pepper, and bacon in there, mix it up, and it's lovely for a breakfast, a big bowl of that, that's lovely. Okay guys, so why avocado? It's a superfood. So you've got healthy fats, supports heart health and hormone balance. You've got potassium in there, that is one electrolyte you need. Second most important one, and you've got supports heart function and blood pressure, and it relates in resetting your action potentials, so rebalancing after your action potentials are fired, next level. So supports heart health, function and blood pressure. Then you've got fiber, another important factor needed for your diet. Fiber is essential in a keto diet because you don't get much of it. So when you get a chance, grab it with avocados. Okay, vitamin E, powerful. So fiber obviously supports digestion and gut health. You have vitamin E. So vitamin E, powerful antioxidant for cell protection. Another next level. And you've got vitamin K, supports bone health and blood clotting. So all over, extremely important and nutritious. Why it's a super clean keto food. So guys, foods for clean keto. If you're curious, go pop on, look for my 10 best clean keto foods, and that'll just give you all of them that are super clean and how you can eat them, and it's just clean keto the whole way. Some people want to be clean keto for everything. I personally don't mind a semi-clean keto diet. I don't advocate a dirty keto diet. Semi is fine for me, and I don't advocate people, if especially for example you're on a budget, I don't advocate you going super clean keto because most of the stuff is quite expensive. So you could go clean keto anyway, but you can focus on things as well, like chicken and stuff like that. But I'll do that for another video. So. Again guys, if you have any questions, please pop them into the comments and please like and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.